Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we're going to solve ICSE Mathematics today, Class 7 Chapter 8 Algebraic Expression Exercise 8A question number 2. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. This one is, state the numerical coefficient and degree of each expression if it is a monomial. First, out of all of these expressions, we have to see which one is a monomial, and if it is, then we have to see the degree of that monomial. Okay, over here the degree and the numerical coefficient as well. This is what we have to see in that one. Right, first one is 45. Is 45 a monomial? Yes, it is a monomial. Right, 45. So first of all, the degree of this expression will be, so degree here it will be 0. Right, the numbers have no power, so 0. And what will be the numerical coefficient? Numerical coefficient. Alright, in this, what will we write? Friends, you see, in 45 we have no variable. So if we don't have a variable, then how come can we have a numerical coefficient? See, if I have a variable, suppose this is 45a. So if I take this a as my variable and view its numerical coefficient, then we will get 45. But since we don't have any a here, okay, since we don't have this a, how come can we tell the coefficient? So you can simply write no numerical coefficient, since it is what? It is not having a variable. Let us move on to the next part. Now on to the next part. 4a to the power 2 upon b. This is not a monomial straight away because b is being used in the variable part. So this means this is not a monomial. Now on to the next part. So this is 42x and 1 upon 4. Again over here also, this is also not a monomial due to one very important rule, that is that the variable here, that is x, should have its power, that is over here. Suppose I have x upon 2, so power is 2. Here the power is 1 upon 4. But friends, always remember, the variable should have its power as a whole number only in a monomial. Okay, in a monomial, variable will have the power only as a whole number, any whole number. Here 1 upon 4, it is a whole number or not? No, it's not a whole number. So this is also not a monomial. Now on to the next one, we have 9b. So for the degree, simply write 1 because this is a variable here. Alright, this b is the variable and it is over here no power is written. So whenever no power is written, we assume that power is 1 only. Okay, no need to assume, it is 1 only, so degree will also be 1. And now on to the numerical coefficient. So the numerical coefficient will be 9. Okay, so basically the numerical part in the term, that is what we'll write up over here. So we get 9. Let's move on to the next part. And now the next one is 1 upon 8 pq. This is a monomial, clearly it is a monomial. And now you have to write the degree of this. Friends, the degree will be 2 because as we know, we add the exponents of these variables here, that is 1 and 1. Again, no exponent is written, so it is considered 1. So 1 basically. So 1 plus 1, 2. Alright. And the numerical coefficient, simply you can write over here, I am writing in short. So this will be 1 upon 8. This fractional part will be taken here as the numerical coefficient. Let us move on to the next part. Now on to the next part. This is minus 12 m to the power 2n. Alright, in this also, first of all, the degree is what we will write. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 is our degree. Alright, and the numerical coefficient you can write here, that will be minus 12 as well. Alright, so this is the numerical coefficient, that is minus 12. Let's move on to the next part. And now on to the next part. This is 5 upon to the power 2 again. This t is being used as the denominator, so it isn't a monomial. Here next one, c to the power 2 plus 13 also is not a monomial. Why? Because we are having two terms here, right? Plus sign is separating these two terms from it, so this means this isn't a monomial, right? Now next one is this. So you can see 7d upon 3. So basically this is what we're going to write here. You can just ignore this sign basically. So degree, for the degree, just write the exponent of the variable here, that is 3, right? Simple. And for the numerical coefficient, you have to write this 7, that is pretty clear, but we also have to write it with this sign, right? Alright, so it is like this, 7. Alright, let us move on to the next part. And now next one is minus 2 upon 3, x to the power 2, y to the power 5. So our degree of the monomial will be, add this 2 and 5, so we get 7, right? So our degree is 7 and the numerical coefficient will be minus 2 upon 3. Alright, so this is our numerical coefficient. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home. Till then, take care. Bye bye.